Okay, before you start assembling your Zize bike, you're going to need the following tools. A regular screwdriver with a broad head, a regular number 2 Phillips, a pair of scissors, your Torx T25 wrench, a 4mm Allen wrench, a 5mm Allen wrench, a 15mm open end, and some oil. Now this is a chain oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use 3-in-1 oil, just a little bit of oil that we'll be putting on the seat post and the pedals. So make sure you have all these tools before you start, and then you're ready to begin.